Hi, I'm Rick from the Pilot Teacher, and today we are fixing this radio repeater. We are up in the middle of nowhere. We've just done a flight that took us 145 miles from the nearest base, and we are fixing this radio repeater because the animals have been chewing on the wires. So this radio repeater is used to help the northern communities contact each other through radio. So it just boosts the signal to allow people in different communities to be able to talk to one another very easily. Except this one's been down because damn animals have been chewing on it. So I'm up here with the engineer and he's going to put it all back together. I'm going to give him a hand, and hopefully the sun's going to come out and I can give you a bit more of a view of this beautiful scenery around here. So it's another day in the life of a helicopter pilot, fixing radio repeaters that animals have chewed through. So this spot that we're at for the radio repeater, we're up right on the edge of Hudson Bay up in northern Canada, and Hudson Bay has polar bears. The guy that I'm with just told me just to keep an eye out for polar bears. Right, it's now kind of middle of August. I don't know too much about the migration of polar bears, but if he says I've got to keep an eye out for polar bears, so yeah, you want to be a helicopter pilot, you've got to keep an eye out for polar bears as well. So there we are. Well, I think we've found the culprit. This looks like it's been chewed on by a bear, possibly a polar bear. Not a nice kind of feeling knowing there's polar bears in this area. These guys are destructive. Pain in the butt, but keeps me in business, so I don't mind it. So one of the nice things about being a pilot is I can sit in here when the weather gets bad. Here comes the rain, and unfortunately my poor customer is out in the rain fixing his radio repeater. Shame, hey? strange here. We've got some bay just over here. It's a little bit cloudy today, but this landscape just seems to be so out of place from here. Like, look at these rocks here. They're just boulders placed on the top. It's like they've been placed here by something, and then we've got these here. They're just, I don't know. It's just odd. It's very odd for this this kind of area. These mountains are just, yeah, they're the only things in this area. There's like 4 of them, and the rest of it is all flat. But yeah, very barren part of the world. But yeah, people still live out here. Hence the reason why we're here fixing this repeater. But yeah, too remote for me. Well, it's that time of the day. The bugs have come out, so if you're going to be a bush pilot, get yourself a bug net, because at the moment the mosquitoes are out, the black flies are out, and without this, they're just crawling in my ears, crawling in my eyes, driving me nuts. So go and buy yourself a bug net if you're going to be a bush pilot. Well, for all you geologists and rock lovers out there, this place is for you. There's some awesome rocks out here. Incredible. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, cool. I'll see you next time.